ESC tweezers, and a suction cup, a heat gun, or a hairdryer helps you remove the loose parts. You can find the required spare parts in the video info. The most important tools, together with our iDoc magnetic pad, come in our repair kit. On our website, idoc.eu, you can find this guide with detailed photos and videos for each step. Before the repair, do a full data backup, and make sure your workplace is clean and well lit. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And now, enjoy the sticks. Check your spare part for visible damage before installation. If something is wrong, you should not install it, but return it to your vendor. First of all, switch off your edge of the case. They are located to the right and left of the USB port. Store the screws in the same box of your magnetic pad. Remove the SIM card holder with a SIM tool. Or a paper clip. To lift off the back cover, you need a suction cup, flat opening tool, and a pick. If the screen is badly cracked, cover it with a strip of packing tape so that the suction cup can stick. Attach the suction cup over the home button. Pull on the suction cup, and then slide the opening tool between the display and the rear panel. If the opening tool is too soft, use a pick. When a small gap appears, insert the pick. You best use a hard pick with a stopper so that it doesn't slip too far into the device. Now run the pick around the whole frame. You can twist the pick a little to lever off the display. The device is not glued, but clipped. Use the pick to release the clips one by one. Once all the clips are released, you can lift off the back cover. Tabs at the upper edge come out last.
Yeah.
A little to lever off the display. The device is not glued, but clipped. Use the pick to release the clips one by one. Once all the clips are released, you can lift off the back cover. Tabs at the upper edge come out last. The rear case is still connected with the flex cable. Gently fold open the back cover and hold it to protect the cable. The connectors for the battery and the back cover are under a bracket. Remove the screw from the bracket and then remove the bracket. Pull and frame to release the cable. The cable. Then unplug the remaining connector from the subboard. Keep the subboard to release the glue. Use a flat tool to gradually release the subboard from the case. Be very careful, the cable is very sensitive. Next, remove the large flex cable from the device. First, unplug the connector. Then pull off the transparent tape for the battery. You can reuse the tape in the new display. Keep the flex cable to release the adhesive. Put the battery in the device. Now insert the new battery. Make sure that there's some space on all sides and that no cables get stuck. Then press on all the adhesive tabs to make the battery stick. Now put the main board into the device. First bend away all
Malapit na ang putang ina. Natapos. Ang ina first time. I did it. Just did it on a day, my friend. Ay, naka parang mas malit pa sa kulangot. Ang putang ina. Putang ina mo. Tangkip, putangin na mo. Tangkip, tangin na mo.
To the display unit. Slide in the upper edge first. The back cover has 3 tabs here. Clipping the device together takes some strength. It's best to grab the device with both hands and squeeze the edges together with your fingers. Insert any SIM or SD cards and slide the tray back into the device. Now fasten the 2 screws to the left and right of the USB port. Check the minimum and maximum brightness of the display and check for pixel errors. Drag any app across the screen in a zigzag pattern. If it doesn't jump, the touch function is okay. Also test other functions, such as the cameras, the speaker, and the earpiece, using a recording app. That was our fix, and I hope you enjoyed it. You can find tools and spare parts on our website. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comment box. We are always happy to help you out. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And if any of your friends broke their phone, tell them about iDock. We have repair guides for all common models. See you next time.